A simulated fire drill aboard the BRP Sierra Madre to test crew operational readiness slightly went out of hand when strong winds fanned the flames that was quickly put out in the exercise. But fear-mongering and fake news pervading Chinese state media was quick to make hay of the event, painting it as an environmental mess that pumped out billowing smoke in the air, debris and flotsam on the water to pollute existing marine life. Our Patrick De Jesus on the country's counter to squelch yet another stab by China to misinform and deceive.
This is a video released by China's state media showing thick black smoke coming from the BRP Sierra Madre. China has accused the BRP Sierra Madre of causing pollution in the West Philippine Sea. The armed forces of the Philippines confirmed the presence of smoke but dismissed the allegation as deception. The AFP clarified that regular operational exercises were conducted on the vessel on February 28 at Ayungin Shoal as part of ensuring its operational readiness. The smoke was immediately put under control. The Philippine Navy emphasized it did not cause any harm to the marine environment, with no damage to BRP Sierra Madre and no injury to crew or personnel.
The exercise for this particular activity, it was a fire drill, and they usually use combustible materials, excess usually yung madaling masunog na materials. It so happened because of the strong winds, napalakas, but they were able to put everything under control. It's part of the deceptive messaging of the Chinese Communist Party.
Meanwhile, the National Security Council raised concerns over false information spreading on Chinese social media platforms claiming Palawan is part of China. According to NSC Assistant Director General Jonathan Malaya, this is part of fake news and disinformation against the Philippines. The National Historical Commission of the Philippines has previously asserted of no historical evidence proving that Palawan was ever part of China or was once called Shenghe Island. The NSC clarified that the post in question does not indicate that it came directly from the Chinese government.
Sa puntong yan, malaman natin yung sinong may pakana nito. Diyan kami nakatutok ngayon at sinisiyasat natin kung sino nga talaga yung mga nasa likod nito.
Patrick De Jesus from the National TV for a new and better Philippines.